how to fix Facebook. You can't use this feature at this moment on Facebook. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to storage, to apps, sorry, and on apps you will look for Facebook. And when you found it, just open it and go to storage, click on storage, open it and go to clear data, click on clear data, then click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.